A warm welcome, everyone, to today's live session, SAP Cloud ERP, your start of SAP Business Suite. So, good morning, good afternoon, or even a good evening to our audience from all across the globe. So, today's session is part of an entire series of live sessions on the theme of SAP Business Suite. And in our playlist, which you can find in the description of this video, you can access all past as well as the upcoming sessions that are part of this series. So don't miss the opportunity to take a look into our playlist. So today, I'm very glad to be joined by Vivian Wang and Marco Hoffmann. So Vivian is part of the SAP Business Suite product marketing, and Marco is part of the SAP Business Suite product management. So they're both based out of Waldorf, Germany, where the SAP headquarter is located. So you, the participants, have the opportunity to raise your questions. You can do so by using the chat window, and we will pick your questions up and answer them right after the presentation part. So without any further ado, I would now like to hand over to today's experts, and the stage is all yours.
Thanks a lot for the introduction. So, hello everyone. Also, a warm welcome from our side to this virtual session. Let's set the scene first. In today's fast-paced world, businesses like yours, you are constantly looking into technology, intelligent technologies to drive digital transformation. And we at SAP, we are dedicated to help you in that journey. We are excited here today to introduce you to SAP Cloud ERP. With that, we refer to our software product, SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. It is our leading SaaS Cloud ERP solution, serves as a critical stepping stone to the future-proof SAP Business Suite. Recently SAP announced SAP Business Suite as our strategic blueprint for the next era of enterprise systems, designed to help you harness cutting-edge intelligent technologies. SAP Cloud ERP is the most important part to this vision, providing the agile cloud-native foundation that you need. And for our value installed-based customers like you, this session is particularly relevant. We will show you how it accelerates your path to the intelligent enterprise with concrete solution highlights and real-world examples. As my colleague already introduced, I'm Vivian Wang from SAP Business Suite Product Marketing, and I'm joined today by my colleague Marco Hoffmann from SAP Business Suite Product Marketing. Here is what we will cover today. Let's begin with a recap of the SAP Business Suite strategy and its vision for your future enterprise. Then Marco and I will deep dive into SAP Cloud ERP, illustrating the tangible business value it delivers across applications, data, and AI. Then we will bring it all to life with real-world examples from our installed base customers, demonstrating how they have successfully adopted SAP Cloud ERP to achieve their transformation goals. We are confident this session will provide valuable insights into accelerating your digital transformation with SAP Cloud ERP. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the content. Companies across the world are challenged by a constant change and the economical dynamics. Every leader feels the weight of the growing complexity. Each department faces their own challenges, however, they are all demanding more intelligent and connected technology solutions for their success. Resilient business processes, consistent data, and empowered by AI is even more important in uncertain times. SAP Business Suite delivers AI-powered value to every part of your business, and the real magic happens when everything comes together. Some of you may have already listened to one session provided by our colleagues a few weeks ago deep dived into SAP Business Suite. If you are new to that topic, feel free to find our recording refresh. The SAP Business Suite represents our vision. It's a comprehensive, integrated set of solutions, literally designed to seamlessly connect and optimize all the functions across your enterprise. This architecture ensures that every corner of your business operates in sync, unlock agility, efficiency, and innovation at scale. Cloud ERP sits actually in the corner of SAP Business Suite solution portfolio. When we translate the SAP Business Suite strategy into SAP Cloud ERP, this is it really means. We constantly add functional enhancement based on market requirements and feedback we are hearing from our customers and our partners, supporting end-to-end processes delivered with SaaS suite quality. We provide real-time business insight through intelligent data applications based on the harmonized data foundation. This harmonized data foundation and our rich business know-how, business data sitting inside SAP solution portfolio, supercharge AI. AI is fully embedded in our processes, improving user productivity, optimize decision-making at scale. So let's dive into the first pillars we are going to discover with you, applications. Hand over to Marco.
Yeah, thanks, Vivian. So what we've seen already in Vivian's part is that connecting line of businesses is key. But in reality, when we look at this picture, this is really causing a lot of effort to orchestrate all these processes across the company. The SAP Business Suite enables scenarios across key process areas so that different parts of your business can work together seamlessly. You need both deep functionality, but also process support. So connecting processes to deliver these end-to-end value for the business, that's really one of the key ingredients. Just talking or taking out maybe 1-2 examples here of these cross-enterprise business scenarios, which are supported by the integrated business suite. For example, the business planning and steering. So in this part, this involves planning and steering the business across finance, sales, operations, and human capital management. So it's all about aligning business goals and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Another one would be maybe project delivery and staffing. So here it's about managing the customer project lifecycle, which is key for project organizations or firms. This includes connecting people, operations, financials to ensure successful project delivery and staffing. But also when we look on the right side to the CIO, here it's about delivering extensions, AI innovations, and integrations. So to wrap it up, connected processes across the enterprise are complex, but they drive efficiency, innovation, and growth. So by leveraging seamless end-to-end processes, you can ensure that all aspects of the business work together seamlessly. Next slide, please. So it's not only about these seamless processes, but also what we can see here, it's about deep and extensible capabilities for each line of business provided by a comprehensive, industry-specific, and extensible suite of business applications. So for the Chief Revenue Officer, for example, it's all about enhancing the customer experience to drive satisfaction and loyalty. This means that sales and fulfillment processes, which drive revenue growth, including managing leads and opportunities, or AI-driven sales automation, sales orders, selling goods, services, and solutions, and service management, they are connected with an efficient billing and collection process, which is definitely vital for maintaining cash flows, including managing bills, invoicing, accounts receivables, etc. So for the CFO, for example, ensuring a robust financial management is also key for business growth and predictability. So this includes here managing the full record to report cycles, financial close and consolidation, or financial planning, analytics, tax management, and a lot of other things. So the Business Suite provides a comprehensive industry-specific suite of business applications with, on the one side, rich capabilities, but also seamless integration. And on the next slide, you can see already, as Vivian said, Cloud ERP is a key part of the Business Suite, and we see a strong adoption in the market for the Cloud ERP across all industries. So just give you a little bit of glimpse here of some customers using Cloud ERP. We will see later on also some specific examples from customers, how they are using and benefiting. So we talked already a little bit about this Business Suite experience, but what is that all about? Let's have a closer look into this. Fundamentally, customers expect their software applications to behave like one solution when they come from the same vendor, with a fully harmonized user experience, competitive pricing, and ease of implementation. So it's our vision that the SAP Business Suite should offer a seamless suite experience with a high-level harmonization across all the applications. We have already invested into suite qualities of our applications. These investments are going to continue for sure across the entire portfolio, and you can expect some very concrete roadmaps from product management to describe the progress. But when we talk about the vision of the suite qualities, what do we mean with that? So we try to bring them into these categories here. So consistent and harmonized. That means covering the entire business value chain from, for example, hire to retire, procure to pay, design to operate, and record to report. So our applications ensure every process is deeply connected without fragmentation. Integrated and extensible. So through the SAP Business Technology Platform, the BTP, low-code tools and seamless automation allow to adopt, scale, and customize faster than ever. So ensuring your systems evolve with the business. On the other side, the industry-specific part, which is backed by decades of expertise. Here, our applications embed deep industry insights to address unique challenges in sectors like manufacturing, retail, healthcare, really ready to meet the needs out of the box. And of course, localization is a very important topic. So the Cloud ERP offering at the core of the Business Suite offers the widest and deepest country localization in the market, covering nearly 60 of the most important countries and more than 30 languages out of the box. These capabilities are mapped with best practice scopes. You can have a full visibility what's available in each country. And additionally, you can enhance it with localization as a self-service tool in order to enhance it. So together, these pillars form a strong integrated foundation, giving the business the agility and confidence to innovate. With these modular, deeply connected applications, you're ready to leverage data and AI to transform how you work. How does it look like from a user perspective, from a user experience perspective? So what you can see here is that already today, the products and applications follow, of course, certain UX, user experience consistency product standards. For example, main actions are always placed at the same location in all products and applications. Those main actions use the same terminology, like creation of a sales order, and Cloud ERP goes along with creation of a travel expense in SAP Concur, for example. The shell header always consists of the main capabilities like enterprise search, settings, plus additional plugins such as Joule or Help. And of course, typography is consistent. But we're not stopping there. Until the end of the year, we intend to enhance the user experience consistency product standards significantly. So we further invest into harmonization of the shell bar, including global search, notification, and end user settings. Additionally, we ensure that every product has a left side navigation that is always accessible. But we do not only invest in consistency on the user experience layer, we do also continuously improve the experience out of our end users through AI. So like you can see on the screen, the user experience of the next release of Cloud ERP, you see here the My Home, which is the kind of product homepage. including with the left side navigation menu and one of the newest AI features. So the AI-assisted smart solution for situations supports the end user to solve business issues. For example, in this case here, expiring sales quotations with the help of generative AI directly on this My Home screen. So this is more intuitive and faster and brings value in a lot of processes. And that brings us to the process side of the house. So let's talk about integrated and harmonized end-to-end processes like hire to retire or lead to cash, which are essential for companies to increase profitability. Let's take lead to cash as an example. The process from lead generation to create a sales order is essential and involves front and back office functions. So one part is Salesforce automation, which is leveraging S/4HANA Cloud in conjunction with SAP Sales Cloud. And this integrated system includes on one side robust CRM functionalities, seamlessly connected to order fulfillment, invoicing, returns, refunds, and financial analytics. This ensures a streamlined process flow that enhances operational efficiency and customer service excellence. So how does it look like? Let's have a look into the system, how this integrated experience in the business suite with regards to this lead to cash looks like.
SAP Sales Cloud version 2 offers a modern, guided experience for quotations and selling. By leveraging AI-supported automation in opportunity and quotation management, users like Mike can speed up their business processes. To quickly realize opportunities, Mike enters new ones using the tile pinned to his home screen. The form pops up and Mike fills in the most important information, then saves and opens the opportunity. The guided selling procedures of SAP Sales Cloud version 2 help Mike understand the next steps to further qualify this opportunity. First, Mike adds the product he discussed with the customer. He clicks on the product tile and searches for the product directly. Next, Mike calls the customer to ensure the details are captured correctly. Everything is okay, and Mike is ready to start the quotation process. He checks the information again, then saves and opens the sales quote. From here, Mike can simulate whether the prices are calculated correctly and determine if any rebates, discounts, or product substitutions are necessary. Mike also checks the item details directly and sees that the delivery date is 2 days later. Before sending the sales quote to the customer, Mike reviews it. He then emails the quote as an attachment using the provided template. The customer confirms that the quotation is satisfactory, so Mike creates the sales order. He opens it using the link and sees that the order is incomplete. This blocks the order's fulfillment. Mike investigates the issue and notices that the customer reference is missing. He enters it directly into the field. The order is now complete and fulfillment proceeds as expected. SAP Sales Cloud version 2 integrates with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition to boost efficiency.
Yeah, that was a great example how this seamless integration looks like in the system. And now let's move on to the next part, which is about talking about the data. And what we have seen here, is that we have already talked about harmonized user experience, harmonized end-to-end processes. And let's have a look into the harmonized data, which is also, of course, very critical in the age of AI. So today, organizations still struggle with delivering trusted, high-quality data. And when they attempt to implement AI, they experience that results can't be used in real business settings often. When data and AI are disconnected and not treated as a pair, organizations will always struggle to become data and AI driven. Yeah. So today we can only have a high-level overview of the Business Data Cloud, but if you're interested in more details, I recommend to watch the recording, which is also shared as part of the webcast series here. So on the data side, organizations are still spending most of their time and effort on connecting the data across their landscape. That means from extracting data, rebuilding semantics, maintaining data pipelines. This effort to connect the data is taking significant time. And it's obvious the more time I'm spending on fixing these topics and maintaining them, the less time I have on delivering results and become a mature data and AI-driven organization. So wouldn't it be great to use more SAP pre-built data products that provided 360-degree view on the most critical processes across all applications? And that's exactly what we're aiming for with the SAP Business Data Cloud. So SAP Business Data Cloud is a fully managed SaaS solution that unifies and governs all SAP data and seamlessly connects with third-party data as well, giving line of business leaders the context to make even more impactful decisions. So let's take out two pieces here. So on the one side, the intelligent applications. Here we utilize ready-to-run insights with out-of-the-box analytical models, dashboards, and workflows for a variety of industries and function-specific use cases. These intelligent applications are curated and managed by SAP and SAP partners, automatically connected to the data, ensuring accuracy and accelerating time to insights. Another part at the bottom side here is the data products. This includes these curated data products. With them, customers get access to SAP data across the most important business processes and can eliminate high costs of data extraction and replication. So SAP Business Data Cloud connects SAP third-party data with SAP and with the help of Databricks in a fully managed SaaS solution, including Datasphere, Analytics, Analytic Cloud, and Business Warehouse. To summarize, the SAP Business Data Cloud is much more than just a solution for better reporting. It helps you create a future-ready organization where insights drive innovation and strategic growth. So solutions openness, integration, and plus the AI capabilities help to ensure that your data becomes really a transformation driver. So, and this gives us already the perfect segue to our third pillar of the business suite, which is AI. And with that, I will hand over again to Vivian.
Thank you so much, Marco. Exactly. So with SAP's rich knowledge in the applications, but also the great data that our customers are creating in our application portfolio, backed by the harmonized data layer, it is really SAP's right to claim the system of agent as SAP Business Suite. So now let's look into how this works in SAP Cloud ERP solution portfolio. I would like to show you one video as a starting point. In this video, you will be able to see the SAP Business AI in action in SAP Cloud ERP, but even more important, I would like to encourage you to pay attention to the purpose SAP enable AI in our systems and the business benefits you will be able to expect. So let's watch it.
Are you concerned about AI? Excited to explore its possibilities? Welcome to the future of SAP, a place where your experience is enhanced by the intuitive capabilities of artificial intelligence. AI listens, learns, and proactively responds to your needs with exceptional precision, making your daily tasks smoother and more efficient. AI isn't just a tool, it's a powerful ally. It empowers you to make intelligent decisions faster and transforms processes to streamline workflows. This fundamentally changes the way we work for the better. By combining the strengths of humans and AI, we create a partnership built on trust and knowledge, propelled by possibility. We're dedicated to enhancing your potential through AI. Grounded with your secured business data and infused with AI agents to proactively assist you, SAP is committed to driving your business success. Your feedback helps us create AI innovations that keep you in control and on top of your tasks. Because we believe the best solutions are those that put you, the user, at the center, empowering you to make confident, informed decisions and work more efficiently. Relax. Enjoy. With SAP, you and AI, everything is under control. Together, we're redefining the future.
Okay, I hope you feel the beat of AI. Some keywords out of the video to summarize how we see the AI relevance for business, for enterprise system. AI is an intelligent assistant in a partnership with a human being. And it is there to empower business users to make faster and precise decisions. Through Copilot, we transform individual isolated tasks, transactions, into a smooth workflow to unlock the business potentials. And these are exactly the business value of AI. Now, let's move one more. Let's move one more to look into what we already heard back from our customers who have already adopted business AI in SAP Cloud ERP. Cerex, its sales office in the past have to deal 1/3 of their sales orders came in via email in a PDF attachment. In the past, the sales team has to manually type in, first manually read and understand those PDF files and pick up the relevant information for sales order and then type into the SAP Cloud ERP system to create sales orders. Now, when implemented sales order auto extraction, the AI takes over the task to understand the PDF and find out relevant information and create automatically in SAP Cloud ERP a so-called sales order proposal. Human beings still have the last control and confirm it and post it. By doing so, the team has been really relieved from those manual tasks. The less manual tasks, the more standardized automation, the more accuracy we see the data in the system. That also ensured the sales order processing become much more smoother. The sales team can now focus more on their customer focus and provide next level of customer services. So having saw our vision, heard from our customers back, we want our users to have a modern experience in SAP Cloud ERP system. First of all, the user should be able to access to the system from all kinds of devices. The consistent and delightful user experience, we have saw some wonderful examples in Marco's presentation. Collaboration is very important. We want, as we already at the very beginning mentioned, the different line of business, the different cooperative functions, they have to be connected together as one, and that brings the biggest value out of your business potential. So collaboration, one side, inside SAP Cloud ERP, even more important, we have native integration between SAP Cloud ERP and mostly used communication tools. Just take one, Microsoft Teams, for example. So the users will be able to exchange the business information inside Teams chat, but also user will be able to dive into SAP S/4HANA Cloud system directly from Microsoft Teams chat. Intelligent in all interactions. And this is the whole picture, how we believe that in the context of SAP Business Suite, SAP Cloud ERP leverages AI will fully renovate and rewrite the Cloud ERP. When we talk about intelligence in all interactions, there are some key messages. Maybe these also belongs to our key development principles. Number one, we drive innovations in a controlled way, which means we fully follow 100% AI ethics compliance, which is embedded in our full product development cycle, but also release cycle. And AI is there to support the business users working faster, more precise, and smarter. Human will always be kept in the loop and have the final control. For SAP Cloud ERP, we have already released dual capabilities from fetching knowledge to help business users understand how to do a transaction, to navigate business users through a business processes. We also have released many transactional generative AI features. Such Gen AI transactional features for SAP Cloud ERP are either accessible via Joule or directly embedded in SAP Cloud ERP applications. Started from 2.5.02 release beginning of February this year till now, we have been running a promotion program for our generative AI feature. And there we have already seen over hundreds of customers. They have already put their hands on and tested these generative AI features. And customers' feedback matters. We really have had decent discussion with them to understand their feedback, and that will help us to improve us even better. I used to do this AI presentation several times, and people was asking, is that just kind of hype, or is there really true product truth inside? So here's a preliminary review on the generative AI features, which are some of them are already in SAP Cloud ERP, or they will be released out of the box with our 2.5.08 release, which is in three weeks. These AI features covers business processes in finance, sales, procurement, project management, or logistic areas, making the end-to-end processes run smoother. So stay tuned. We will disclose more details with our 2.5.08 release, and we will be super glad to meet you again virtually, probably beginning of August or sometime like that. So having that said, we already demonstrated SAP Cloud ERP in the context of application supporting end-to-end processes with suite quality. We are working on the data layers, and we will disclose much more details very soon. We saw AI is already reality. After all of this, what does it mean for you, our install-based customer? So what are the key takeaways? I would like to present you some customer real examples. We have ECC customers who have already adopted SAP Cloud ERP. There are multiple motivations, right? And most of them struggled with the on-premise, extremely customized ERP infrastructure, which was quite challenging for upgrade and keep the speed of innovation. So from all of these customers, we already heard that they are reporting back with business values, such as reduce IT operation costs, reduce downtime, and improvement of processes, or improvement of reporting accuracy, and even more. We also see customers are leveraging adopting SAP Cloud ERP when they have the business need to fulfill their organic growth. For an event like acquisitions, for example, many of our customers, they leverage SAP Cloud ERP as an innovation platform for a fast onboarding of their new business function, which can be connected, and most of them, actually all of them, will connect their Cloud ERP system back to their existing system landscape for a group-wide business performance visibility. Or incubations, some of our customers leverage Cloud ERP to manage their new emerging business module. Further use cases, example of Cloud ERP for our install-based customer can be also to keep the autonomous divisions while the headquarters still run on their existing ERP landscape. So there are even much more success stories on sap.com. Feel free to get inspired. Our install-based customers, the journey to SAP Business Suite you can start fresh or modernize the legacy ERP system. SAP fully understands our install-based customers' situation, and we offer different journeys to SAP Business Suite. Start fresh, greenfield, or modernize your existing ERP. So like you probably have already heard the RISE methodologies, we also have the Accelerate methodology. This Accelerate methodology helps our install-based customers analyze their existing landscape, discover SAP Cloud ERP, prepare the implementation with SAP Activate to finally onboard and to enjoy the speed of innovations. Next week, our colleagues will introduce you in much more details around the Accelerate methodology. So please do not miss that. With this, we are at the end of our presentation. So please let us know if you have any questions or if you would like to have interactive discussion with us.